In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. This is a really handy skill to have, whether you're organizing your finances or sharing your accounts with your accountant. Exporting to Excel allows you to manipulate, analyze, and even make notes on your financial data with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up QuickBooks Online. Log in using your credentials and let everything load up nicely. Once you're on the home page, our first stop will be in the upper right corner where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is your gateway to many settings and features within QuickBooks. Next, within the settings menu, you should see an option labeled Chart of Accounts. Click on it. The chart of accounts is essentially a complete listing of every account in your accounting system. It's organized by account type, such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This feature is really the backbone of your bookkeeping in QuickBooks, helping you keep track of all the financial transactions in one place. Once you've clicked into the chart of accounts, you'll want to generate a report. Look for a button that says Run Report and click it. What this does is compile all your accounts into a comprehensive report that's much easier to view and understand. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire financial setup. After your report is ready and visible on your screen, take a look again for the Export button. Clicking this option sets the wheels in motion for getting your data out of QuickBooks and into a format you can work with outside the software. The final and most critical step is to specifically select Export to Excel. Doing this will download an Excel file directly to your computer. With this exported file, you have full flexibility to review your chart of accounts, sort through your data, and utilize Excel's features like pivot tables or charts to interpret your financial information in a way that makes the most sense for you or your team. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. By following these straightforward steps, you'll unlock a new level of financial insight and management. Whether you're refining your financial strategy or preparing for a meeting with your accountant, you'll find this newfound ability incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.